IKEA adventures.
Great to see you.
Going to IKEA. Having an adventure at IKEA. So adventurous. Sorry, you had to see that tongue. Oh yeah. Adventures getting hit by a car in IKEA. I already feel inspired. Going up the elevator, just to let you know. Hello, sir. How are you doing?
Do you think that folding chair is kind of cute?
I'm good. How are you? Great.
Do you think that folding chair is kind of cute? Comment below.
No. I see whales. Oh, and I see
Christmas! It's
beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Madeline is gonna eat something because she hasn't eaten anything.
And I literally haven't eaten anything since I ate string cheese.
You literally haven't eaten anything since you've literally eaten.
Comment below.
What have you eaten?
Okay, so we're at IKEA and I just have a quick question. Do you eat string cheese? Do you peel it or just take a bite? Because I'm not gonna lie, I just take bites.
You're freaking psychotic.
Yeah, I do that. And I
yeah, I do
that. Of you guys
no, let's go through this. I think I want to go through these. Oh, okay. Well, she found the shortcut. Touche.
But plenty of you guys do that.
No, none of my followers are psychotic. They're good people. It's strange.
Yeah, it is, but like I don't feel
It's
like
not right.
I don't feel like stringing the cheese. I just want to eat it.
I need to walk this way. Bye. Bye. Crap. Oh crap. That's what I want. That was just a little comic relief if you guys didn't know what that was. That was just a little humor. Since I don't want any of this food, excuse me. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, I am ridiculous. Okay. So I'm on a hunt to find the slushies. I was told that they are downstairs at the checkout. So we're gonna go downstairs and find it while she gets her food. So wish me luck. This is the largest elevator ever. I'm kind of scared. Okay, I'm kind of scared. What if I die? Do you guys have slushies here, like the lingonberry slushies?
Like an icy?
Yeah, the icy.
Yeah, they actually. Are you trying to get one right now?
Yeah. Okay. I'm making my way to the exit, which is where they have. I guess they're called slushies. Wait, what did I call them? Ices? I don't even remember what I called them now, but it was called something else. This is the best flavor, the lingonberry. So good. Yes, please. Oh, she's chunky. Shots. What'd you get? Chocolate.
Salmon meatballs, a veggie medallion, green beans, and these little thingies that are really good.
Health Queen. I got my slushy. Lingonberry. Okay, I'm gonna take a taste test of this foreign object. Oh my gosh, my lipstick has been like, oh, it's just a shadow. That's really not flattering. That's really weird. The shadow looks like I have like red.
Oh, it does. That's embarrassing.
Okay, I did not like that. Let's do it for this way. Okay, that's better. It's focusing on you. That's good. And then she's like, foreign object.
Get rid of it.
Sting.
Okay.
There's nothing I hate more than lethargic flies. Like,
Really?
get
Nothing?
off of me. Go.
IKEA's a restaurant,
By
and then they have a big gift
different.
shop.
I'm gonna try some of her amazing coffee. That's good. Can you buy this?
Well, they make it in one of those like machines.
Can you buy the machine? Okay, so I'm looking for a floor length mirror. Oh, I want to get a clothing rack. And then, what was the other thing? Oh, like floating shelves for like the living room.
Would you like to grab a card?
And then possibly for the bathroom. Yes, let's get a cart. That might be good. And yeah, we'll see what else we find. Because that's part of the IKEA adventures. You just never know where you're gonna find it.
Give me the shower squeegee.
Nobody needs those. Well, this is boring. Are these bags? Oh, it's a smock.
I'll smock you right across the face.
Those cups right here. My hair lady served me one of these and I was changed forever. So
These
where are
ones?
they? No, these guys right here. We gotta find that.
Oh, those?
Yes, they're so cute.
For what?
She served me a rosé in them and I was a changed woman. My hair lady, Lena.
Oh.
They're so cute, right? Just imagine a nice cocktail in that. It's just so classy. Okay. Well, we will get him sometime when I'm a classier lady. Good thing we're carrying this. Thanks for doing your job. Oh, that is very classy. I'm just gonna keep saying that instead of cute. I always say cute way too much. I'm gonna say, oh, those are classy. Those blue ones, class act. Ow, that hurt my quads. Ow. This thing is seriously only $10.
Seriously?
All right, I'll take it. Okay, this is our IKEA haul. I'm gonna get this. Put some flowers in there, and got this thingamajiggy, and that thing, and that thing. Thank you for joining, and I'll see you guys later.